Delish. This is a special treat today. This is Super Bowl time, and Kansas City is celebrating the NFL championship winners, the Kansas City Chiefs. Today, we stopped by our best local barbecue spot in the city. We wanted to patronize the best barbecue in the world. This is a verified gem and world-class staple. Kansas City's very own Gates & Sons BBQ, established almost 80 years ago and still thriving. We just love the essence of good quality barbecue, and Kansas City has the best all-around, bar none. Although there are hundreds of notable Q joints in the city, such as Arthur Bryant's, Jones BBQ, Oklahoma Joe's or Joe's, LC's, Smokehouse BBQ, and Rosedale's. Those are just a few, but there are dozens. So you have your choice in Kansas City. We are the king of barbecue. We could go on and on all day long. They are all great. In Kansas City and on the Missouri side, they're all striving to get that coveted title of the best barbecue. We're going to stay true to the #1 Q joint that we recommend in Kansas City, Gates & Sons BBQ. They have a unique sauce and a flavor that is decadent, with those meaty ribs and delicious side orders to accompany any meal. The menu is teasing and pleasing, so if you're tired of your standard hot dogs and hamburgers, take a look at those ribs. It's a magnificent treat for any true barbecue lover. They offer such an assortment of culinary choices, and the pricing is reasonable. Pork ribs, chicken, ham, sausages, full sandwiches, steak fries, the double-decker sandwiches, that's the way you like it, ham, beef, or turkey. A healthy order of side dishes is also available. The platters will leave you drooling for more. Just when you think you've ordered enough, you're going to want more of those ribs, only from Gates & Sons BBQ. Remember, while you are celebrating the Chiefs' victory, stop on by your local Gates & Sons BBQ and get a plate or two for you and the fam. We'll see you at the parade, and remember, keep on strutting with Gates. Delish. We are going to give these fries a little toastiness with the ketchup. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. All these fries. Mmm. Delish. Ooh, look at those ribs. And the beef. Mm-hmm. The ham. Oh, my. Delish. Tender. Mm. Just get some of this. Sauce on one side. Plenty of pickles. Look at these ribs. Yes. Very tender. A little bit more brisket. How tender that is. Falling apart. Tender. Melts in your mouth. It's wonderful steak fries. Wonderful. I love it. Ribs. Look at that. Look how tender that is. Look at all this ham. Okay. Look at all this beef. Okay. Ribs. And the steak fries. Delish. Put me some more sauce. I'm gonna eat a little bit, honey, because it fills me up. Fills me up so fast. And with ham, lots of ham. Goes all the way down there. And all this beef. Delish. Yes. That's what I call a plate. Heavenly. Steak fries, thick, crispy fried,
season. I can't even finish one plate. There's so much food. I can't finish one plate. But I'm trying to finish this one rib bone. Let's peel it right on out. See that? Let's peel it right on out. This is at least 3 or 4 meals. Okay. You got all the rib bones right here. You got your ham, you got your steak fries, you got your pickles, and all this beef. And I can't finish it. Even one plate. I can't finish it. Too much food. Look at the jelly pickles. Whew. I think I ate too fast. All these jelly pickles. Woo! This is tender. Tender. Just pulls apart. See that? I can eat off for this 3-4 days. Okay.